Expression for velocity of electron in the nth orbit of hydrogen atom. So let us see that. Consider an electron is revolving in the nth orbit. Let the nucleus charge be Ze plus Ze, and an electron is revolving in a circular orbit of radius r with a velocity v. So since the electron is moving in a circular orbit, so there will be a force called electrostatic attraction. The force is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q1 q2 by r square. Q1 is Ze into q2 is E by r square. So this is the force, and since the electron is moving in a circular path, there will be a centripetal force. Centripetal force is equal to mv square by r, and here the force of attraction between electron and the nucleus is equal to the centripetal force. Therefore what we can write, mv square by r is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Ze square by r square. Square r and r get cancelled. Therefore r is equal to Ze square by 4 pi epsilon naught into mv square. Let this be equation 1. And according to Bohr's postulate, second postulate, angular momentum is always equal to integral multiple of h by 2 pi. That means L is equal to nh by 2 pi. So L can be written as mvr is equal to nh by 2 pi. So therefore r is equal to nh by 2 pi into mv. So let this be equation 2. So therefore if we compare equation 1 and equation 2, so r is equal to Ze square by 4 pi epsilon naught mv square, and r is equal to nh by 2 pi into mv. So if we compare these two, what we get? So Ze square by 4 pi epsilon naught mv square is equal to nh by 2 pi mv. So here v square we get cancelled, get cancelled, pi get cancelled, 2 ones are 2 twos are. So what we get? Ze square by 2 epsilon naught is equal to nh, of course v here there because it's only v square, square and v got cancelled. So velocity of an electron revolving in the nth orbit of a hydrogen atom is equal to Ze square by 2 epsilon naught nh.